Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and Google today rolled out the Android 12 Pixel update for May 2022. This is their monthly security patch, and it's rolling out to all supported devices now, from the Pixel 3a, 3a XL, all the way up to the Pixel 6 Pro. And so this particular update was not a huge update. It's not a Pixel feature drop, but comes in at 14.28 megabytes. That's on my Pixel 5a 5G, so it's a pretty small update overall. Now it does fix a few different things across all of the different devices. So the first thing is a fix for issues that occasionally cause a display to wake without user interaction. So if you found your display waking up all by itself, this should resolve that issue. There's also improved haptic feedback under certain conditions and use cases for the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So if you thought the haptic feedback on the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro was poor, this should be resolved now. So if you go in and out and you're using the different haptic feedback, whether you're typing, going into apps and everything else, that should be resolved or just be a little bit better this time around. Also, the user interface has been updated where it was crashing for some and even restarting devices in certain conditions. That's for all Pixel devices. So that's something that they've resolved in this update. As far as additional features and changes, well, if we go into the wallpapers, we have our monthly wallpaper update. And if we go to wallpaper, change wallpaper, and then we go to curated culture, you'll see 3 new wallpaper for the May 2022. This is in celebration of Asian Pacific American Heritage Month, and you can see 3 different ones here. So you can go into these and select them if you'd like and read all about them. Tap the little I for more information. And it says, by sharing our culture across our vastly diverse community, we can connect and celebrate together. And you can see who it's illustrated by. So we have that one, and we'll go back. I'll just show you these briefly. We have this one also. This one is actually called In Solidarity. And then the third one is called, we'll tap on the I here, In Strength. And so you can see the difference here. So all of those are available now if you have Pixel devices, and they roll out new ones every month, and you can see all of them going back to the beginning here. So you have that option if you want to use those. As far as any additional fixes or updates, well, there's 48 total security patches in this update. 11 of them have to do with the Pixel, and 37 of them are on the Android overall. And that leads me to, should you install the May Pixel update? And I would say absolutely if you're not on Android 13 Beta 1. I actually have the beta on my Pixel 6 Pro, and I won't get this update. I'll get Beta 2 when it's available to the public beta testers. However, I would highly recommend it due to many of those different security updates, as it makes your phone more secure, and of course it fixes those issues I mentioned a little bit ago. So all of those things are in this update. Not a huge update, and also many are asking, when will it roll out to Samsung devices? Well, many people on S21 devices are already getting it, and also S22 devices. So any S22, S22 Ultra, S21 Ultra, many of you are seeing that. It does depend on your carrier and also where you live in the world, but you should start to see that roll out very soon. So hopefully within this week, we'll see the same patches and maybe some additional features if you're using One UI with it. So maybe features and patches as well. So that's everything with the May 2022 security update for Pixel and Android devices. Hopefully it rolls out soon to you, and it's great to have a few different bug fixes and patches as well as those security updates as well. So all of those things have rolled out, and of course we'll see another one in June. So look for that next month. And of course, if you'd like me to continue doing these Pixel update videos, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you'd like to get your hands on this wallpaper, of course, I'll link it in the description like I normally do. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.